أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So yesterday we started learning about sentences. So inshallah we will revise what we learned yesterday and then we will try to learn more about sentences. So what we learned yesterday, that was there are two types of sentences. In Arabic, a sentence is called jumla. The first sentence is jumla fi'aliyah, first type. Which is also called verbal sentence in English. The Jumla fi'liya starts with a fail. So if you see a sentence starting with a fail, then you will say it is Jumla fi'liya. But if the sentence is starting with an ism, then you say that this sentence is Jumla ismiya. So basically just two types of sentences, Jumla fi'liya, Jumla ismiya. Jumla fi'liya starts with a fail. Jumla ismiya starts with an ism. And then we looked at four examples. The first two examples, they start with a fail. So they are Jumla fi'liya. And the third one starts with a harf, but when the harf comes, we go to the next word. And the next word is Allahu, and that word is ism. So that is why we call it Jumla ismiya. And then last one is also Jumla Ismiya because Zalika is Ismul Ishara. It is an ism. So we started learning about Jumla Fi'liya. We know our pronouns huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu, he, they, you all, I, and we. Then I showed you the table, the surf table for the word Nasara. Hmm? You know all this. I mean, it's probably laid out in a different way, but the same words. And then I divided actually this into two separate boxes. All the words into two separate boxes. The first box contains only the fail, and the last three columns are in a separate box, and because they are all ism, right? We should know all this. Then we start talking about the file. What is file? File is a doer. We need to understand this very well. So, word Nasara, everybody here in the class knows it means he helped. And the Arabic word for he is huwa. But on the Arabic side, we don't see huwa. So then what we learned that huwa is actually inside Nasara. And that huwa, or we can say he, is actually the inside doer of Nasara. Because it is inside, it is hidden, we cannot see it. It is hiding inside Nasara. So the he or huwa, both, if you use he, that's okay. If you use huwa, that's also okay. He is the inside doer of Nasara. Similarly, they is the inside doer of Nasaru. Nasarta, which means you helped, you or anta is the inside door of Nasarta. Similarly, you all, I and we, they are the inside doors of Nasartum, Nasartu, and Nasarna, respectively. Um, all right. Similarly, Yansuru, Yansuruna, Tansuru, Tansuruna, Ansuru, Nansuru, they have the inside doors he, they, you all, I, and we in the same way. Then what we learned? We learned that every fail is actually a complete sentence. Nasara, which is a fail, up till now we have said that this is just a fail. But actually, it is also a sentence. It is a verbal sentence. It is a sentence starting with a fail. It only has a fail, nothing else actually. In English, when we look at the translation, it has two parts. First part will be called doer, which is in Arabic is file, and the next word which is helped is a fail. So we have two separate parts, fail and file. But on the Nasara side, we don't have that luxury. We have only one word. So it means it is a fail, but file is in it. So Nasara is not just a fail, it has a fail and file. And where is the file? File is hiding rather, inside the fail. Then we learned about, then we added a word to it, Khalid. So he helped Khalid, and we wanted to translate it. And then we learned that Nasara Khalid is means he helped Khalid, but Khalid is supposed to have a haraka on the last letter. And then we looked at the three possible options and we went through the process of elimination. And we said we started with Khalidin, and we said Khalidin cannot be uh, the case, or we can say the dal will not get to kasra, because in that case the Khalid will be in jar status, and there can be only two reasons for a word to be in jar status. Either it has to be mudaf ilayhi, or it has to be a jar, ism after a jar, meaning majroor. Over here we don't see a jar, so Khalid cannot be Khalidin because of a jar. And Nasara is a fail, so it cannot be a mudaf either. Mudaf has to be an ism, so it cannot be Khalidin. And to be Khalidun, it has to be a file. Over here, he is the file, not Khalidun. So this Khalid over here in the sentence cannot be Khalidun either. We are left with Khalidan only, and that is what it will be. All right, so Nasara Khalidan, it means he helped Khalid. So Nasara is the fail and also file. Where is the file? Hiding inside Nasara. And the new word Khalidan is a maf'ul. And maf'ul is always in nasab status. That's what we learned. So maf'ul is always in nasab status. Maf'ul provides additional information about or additional details about the action. For example, Nasara means he helped. It is already a complete sentence, a jumla fi'aliyah. So Khalidan provided the additional information like who was helped. So if he helped who? Khalid. So the maf'ul provides additional information, additional details about the action, and maf'ul is an optional part of the jumla fi'aliyah. The fail and file always have to be present. They are the mandatory parts of a jumla fi'aliyah. Maf'ul may or may not be present. For example, here at the top part of this slide, we said Nasara was a full sentence, a complete sentence. It doesn't have a maf'ul, but it is still a complete jumla fi'aliyah. All right. So a typical jumla fi'liya would consist of uh, like the basic jumla fi'liya, I should say, will consist of a fail and file, and it may also have a maf'ul. Fail and file, and also a maf'ul. So three components in a jumla fi'liya. So that's where we stopped yesterday. So let's continue. And now I will get help from someone, inshallah, and keep learning about jumla fi'liya. Uh, Let me see. Have Yusra and Ajia, are you both listeners or Ajia is a listener only? If Yusra is
Cheers,
available,
only. Yeah,
sorry?
yeah,
Okay. So this is
yeah,
Yusra now?
yeah,
Okay. All right. So Yusra, you will be okay working with me for a bit?
yeah.
Yeah, okay. Nasara means what?
Nasara means he helped.
Okay. I want to say, okay, not Nasara Khalidan. What does this mean?
He helped Khaled.
He helped Khalid. Khalid is a person, right?
Mm-hmm.
If I say Nasara Khalidun, does this mean the same? He helped Khalid. That's the question.
Oh,
What do you think? Could be the same or could be different?
It could be different.
Yeah, it should not be the same. It is wrong. It is Nasara Khalidun does not mean he helped Khalid. So what does it really mean? That's the question. That is what we are
Khalid,
going to learn.
Khalid helped him.
Khalid helped him? Yeah, could be that. Let's figure this out, huh? Let's figure this out.
Mhm.
So Yusra thought it means Khalid helped him. All right. So let's see what we have to do to translate Nasara Khalidun. As we know in the previous slide, we knew Khalidun when it is in Rafa status. In a Jumla Fi'liya, it will be the doer. Right, Yusra, you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but we already have a doer. He,
Mhm.
right? He is a doer. We know this. Nasara has an inside doer. He. So he is a doer, which is the inside doer, and Khalidun is also a doer. So we have two doers, which is apparently a problem, right? So what we do here, if we have a doer outside the verb, outside the fail, then the inside doer has to leave, has to go away. So in this case, he, which is the inside doer, has to leave. It's gone. And Khalid will take its place. All right? Khalid will take the place of he. So what does Nasara Khalidun means? Yusra?
Khalid, Khalid helped.
Khalid helped. So what happened here? We don't see the he, the inside doer anymore, do we?
No.
No. So it has gone and it has its place has been taken by Khalid. All right? And Khalid is called the outside doer. So we don't have the doer inside Nasara anymore. The inside doer of Nasara is gone and its place has been taken by Khalid, and Khalid is the outside doer. So Nasara is only a fail now. There is no file in it because the file, the doer is gone and its place is taken by the outside doer Khalid. Nasara Khalidun means Khalid helped. All right. So the outside door, what has happened here? The outside door has replaced the inside door. The inside door is gone. It does not exist anymore. This can only happen. What can only happen? The outside door taking the place of the inside door. This can only happen when the inside doer is he or she. This is very important. Okay, over here the inside doer was he, and replacing the inside doer with the outside doer was only possible because the inside doer was he. If it was they, you all, I, or we, then the outside doer cannot exist. It cannot take the place of the inside doer. The inside doer does not go anywhere. It always stays. All right? So remember this statement that the outside doer can take the place of the inside doer only when the inside doer is he or she, which was the case here. The inside doer was he. Okay? The outside doer is always after the verb. It cannot be like Khalidun Nasara. No, because then it will not be Jumla Fi'liya even. So the outside doer is always after the verb, not before, after. The outside doer must be in Rafa status. Must be in Rafa status. So when you see a Jumla fi'liya and the verb has the inside doer he or she, you should look for an outside doer. The outside doer is always after the fail, after the verb. That is where you are supposed to look for it. And how would you know that there is an outside doer? The outside doer will be in Rafa status. Okay, that's how you will identify it. The inside and outside doer generally match in gender. Over here, you see, the Nasara is a masculine verb. It means he helped. And Khalid is also masculine. So the verb, the inside doer and the outside doer, they generally match in gender. All right. So now we have learned a new term called outside door. All right. Okay. Anybody else who wants to volunteer to work with me over here for the next portion of today's lesson? Um, I don't see a hand. Muhammad Abdullah. Muhammad Abdullah.
Yes.
Okay. Daraba means
He hit.
he hit. Daraba Mahmudan. What does this mean?
He hits Mahmoud.
Okay. What's the inside door of Daraba?
He.
He. When he is the inside doer, we should be doing what? We should look for.
The outside door.
Okay. Can Mahmudan be the outside door?
Yes.
Yes. In the previous slide, I said the outside door is always after the verb. And the outside door has to be in what status?
Rafa.
Rafa. Is Mahmudan Rafa?
No.
What is it?
It's Nasab.
Nasab. So can it this Mahmudan be the outside door?
No.
No. So if it is not the outside door, what does that mean? Will the inside door go anywhere?
No.
No. The inside door will stay. So how you will translate it?
ضرب مح.
Daraba Mahmudan. How you will translate it?
He hits Mahmoud.
He hit Mahmud. Good. He hit Mahmud. Next sentence. Translate it.
Mahmoud.
Daraba Mahmudun.
Mahmoud hit.
Mahmud hit. So, Daraba, what does Daraba mean?
He hit.
He hit. What is the inside door?
He.
He was the inside door. So we started looking for what?
The outside door.
Where should be the outside door?
After the.
The verb after the fail.
Yeah.
How would you identify an outside door? What should be its status?
It should be in Rafa status.
Is Mahmudun is in Rafa stat?
Yes.
Yes. So what will happen now? Mahmud will take the place of
The door.
the inside door.
Outside door.
Mahmud will take the place of the inside door because Mahmud is the outside door now. And it will take the place of the inside door. What will happen to the inside door?
It will leave.
It will leave, go away. It will disappear. So Daraba is a fail and Mahmud is the file. Daraba doesn't have the inside door in it. The he has gone. It has left Daraba. Okay. So Mahmud hit. All right, good. So Mahmud is the outside door file. All right. Anybody else who wants to work with me now? Thank you, Muhammad Abdullah. Brother Farooq Hamid, he rose his hand. So, brother, you have a sentence in front of you, and I would like you to translate it.
Um, Mahmoud hit Ibrahim.
Okay. What's the inside door of daraba?
Um, like Mahmoud.
What's the inside? Inside. I'm not saying outside. Inside door.
He.
He. Inside door is he. When he is inside door in a jumla fi'liya, what we are supposed to do? Look for?
Outside door.
Look for an outside door. Where to look for it? After
Um,
the fail or before the fail?
like after the fail.
After the fail. How would you know that an outside door is there? How would you identify it?
Um, like the outside door will be in Rafa status.
Rafa status. Good. If you find a word in an ism in Rafa status, what will happen?
Like he will be an outside door.
He will be that will be an outside door. And outside door will take the place of
Inside door.
inside door. What will happen to the inside door?
Um,
It will just leave.
it will. Yeah, it will leave. Yeah.
It will disappear. Okay. So in this sentence, the inside door of daraba, does that still exist?
No.
No, it's gone. So as you said, it means Mahmoud hit Ibrahim.
Yeah.
Mahmoud is the outside door. It has taken the place of the inside door. He, which was inside Daraba, and that he has gone. It has left. And Ibrahima is the maf'ul. All right. So how you will label this sentence? Daraba is fail, Mahmoud is file, and Ibrahim is maf'ul because it is in nasab status, and we know maf'ul is supposed to be in nasab status.
Okay.
Any questions, Brother Farooq?
Um. So, like, if we were to
Okay,
translate, like they hit
we
Ibrahim.
will get back. We will get to it. Next sentence. Translate it, please.
ضرب محمودا إبراهيم. So Ibrahim is in profile status. So the Ibrahim was hit by Mahmoud. Uh, like
Okay,
Ibrahim
you are
is
complicating it, brother. Let's work together. Let's work together. What is the inside door of daraba? Inside door.
um he
He. When he is the inside door, what we are supposed to do?
look for outside door.
Let's look it together. Where I should look for it?
Um, after the file.
Fail. Can Mahmoudan be the outside door?
No, it's not in Rafa status.
So can Ibrahim be the outside door?
Yes,
So what will happen now? Ibrahim will take the place of.
inside door. So
So it will be who hit now?
um, Ibrahim
Ibrahim hit.
Mahmoud.
Ibrahim hit Mahmoud.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ibrahim hit Mahmoud. Now Ibrahim has taken the place of the inside door, and the inside door is gone.
Yeah.
So Ibrahim hit Mahmud, and Mahmud is the maf'ul because it is in nasab status. All right, good. Thank you, Brother Farooq. Let's continue. Somebody else. Hmm? Okay, I will take one of the older students. Taimia.
Yes.
Do you see a word at the bottom of your screen, Taimia?
Yes, I do.
What is the word?
خلقه.
Khalaqa. Speak up a bit, huh?
Okay.
Khalaqa. Khalaqa means what? Do you know?
He created.
He created. Is it a complete sentence or no?
No.
No? Why not?
Because it doesn't have what's it called?
It has a fail,
Like
which
it
is
doesn't.
created. It has the file, which is he. It has both fail and file. And these two are the mandatory parts of a fail. Then why it is not a complete sentence? Explain that to me, Taimia. What is missing?
An outside doer.
Do we have a doer here or no?
You have he as the inside doer.
Yeah, yeah. Did I ever say that a sentence has to have an outside doer to be called a sentence? Did I ever say that?
No.
No. Khalaqa is a fail, but it is also a complete sentence because it has the two mandatory parts of a sentence, which is a fail and a file. Okay?
Okay.
So, is khalaqa a complete sentence or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. It has the fail
Yes.
and file, this sentence. What is the fail?
Um.
There's only one word here, Taimiyah.
Halakha.
Khalaqa. Khalaqa is the fail. What is the file here?
Huwa.
Where is that?
It's hidden.
It is inside, it is hiding inside khalaqa. So khalaqa is a complete jumla fi'liya. Has a fail in it and the file in it. File is hiding inside the fail, which is the
Yeah.
inside doer, he. All right. So is it a complete sentence or no? I'm trying to emphasize here.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Do we need to look for he is the inside doer? We should look for an outside, should we?
Yeah.
So let's look for it. Do you find any outside doer?
No.
There is nothing here. Hmm? So we can look for it, but there is nothing there to look for. So does an outside doer exist?
No.
No. So what does that mean? We have a jumla fi'liya, but there is no outside doer. It means the outside doer doesn't have to be present all the time. It may be there, it may not be there. What did I say, Taimia?
That there doesn't have to be like an outside doer all the time. There could also be just an inside doer to be a full sentence.
You're gonna repeat it, Taimia. In a jumla fi'liya, outside doer is not always present. It may be there and it may not be there. Can you repeat these couple of sentences I said?
In Jumla Failure, the outside doer, it doesn't have to be present.
Mm-hmm.
Like it may or may not be present.
Yeah. So in this khalaqa, which is a complete jumla fi'liya, we don't have an outside doer. You agree?
Yeah.
But it is still a jumla fi'liya, right?
Yeah.
Because it has the two mandatory parts in it, which have to exist, which is, what are the two mandatory parts?
Fail,
Hmm?
fail, and
Fail and what?
and
Hmm? Fail and what? Does anybody else knows what are the two mandatory parts of a jumla fi'liya? Brother, the Ahmad family.
Fail and file.
Fail and file. Okay, Taimia. What are the two mandatory parts of a jumla fi'liya?
fail and file.
Do we have them here or no?
Yes, we do.
What is the fail?
خلق
What is the file?
هو.
Huwa. Where is that huwa?
It's hidden inside.
So does this sentence have the two mandatory parts or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So it is a jumla fi'liya which has the mandatory parts fail and file. All right. Okay, keep working with me, Taimia. So we looked for an outside doer. We couldn't find any. There was no other word. All right. Okay. Read this now. Taimia.
خلق الأرض.
Alakal arda.
خلق
Read it again.
الأرض. خلق الأرض.
Okay. What's the translation of khalaqa?
He created.
What is the inside doer of khalaqa?
He.
We should look for an outside doer. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Let's start looking for an outside doer. Do you see any outside doer?
No.
No. Why? There isn't a word arda here. Why this cannot be the outside doer?
It's not in Rafa status.
It is not in Rafa status. So what will happen to the inside doer now? Will it stay or go?
Stay.
It will stay. Translate it, please.
He created the earth.
He created the earth. Very good. So it has the fail, it has the file, and now it is also has a maf'ul. What is maf'ul here?
الأرض.
Earth is maf'ul because it is in what status?
نصب.
Nasab. Very good. Okay, I will make a change to this sentence now. I will create some room and I put a word in there. Read it now.
خلق الله الأرض.
Okay. What is the translation of khalaqa?
He created.
He created. What is the inside door?
He.
When he is the inside door, what we are supposed to do?
Look for an outside door.
Where should be that outside door?
Allah.
Where? I asked, where should be that outside door?
In front of it.
After the fail.
Yeah.
What's the answer?
After the fail.
After the fail. Let's start looking for an outside door. Do you see any?
Yes.
What is that word?
Allahu.
Allahu. Why it is the outside door?
Because it's in Rafa status.
Because it is in Rafa status. So what will happen now?
Now Allah will replace he.
So the word Allah will take the place of the inside doer he. What will happen to he?
It will disappear.
It will go away, disappear. So now translate it, please.
Allah created the earth.
Allah created the earth. What is fail? What is file? What is maf'ul in this sentence?
Fail is khalaqa, fa'al is Allah, and maf'ul is al-ard.
Can you say this again? What is fail? What is file? What is maf'ul?
Fail is khalaqa, fa'al
Mhm.
Allah, and maf'ul is al-ard.
What is the word Allah here? Say it again.
Fail.
Allah is fail.
Um,
Fail was khalaqa. Yes or no?
Allah is fa'al.
Fa'il. Khalaqa is fail. Allahu, the lafzul jalala, is the fa'il. And al-arda is the maf'ul. Right? So in this sentence, does khalaqa has he in it anymore? Yes or no?
No.
No, because it has been replaced by the word Allah. He has gone. It has disappeared. So now this sentence has all the three parts: fail, file, and maf'ul. All right? Okay, good. Thank you, Taimia, for working with me. We have used up all the time for this session and actually a few more minutes. So I should stop here. Yeah, so that's I would encourage you to watch this video which is recorded here when it is shared again. This is a very, very fundamental and important concept, the inside door and outside door, and when we should look for an outside door, and how the outside door is supposed to be identified, and how it takes the place of the inside door. So I hope that today's session was beneficial. So that's where we'll end. Thank you for your attention.